My name's Chris Harris. I'm a Nyampa Yirira man. With the kangaroo grass, you don't use 100%, so we mix it with the white flour. Usually probably 20% of the native grains with the white flour. But the health benefits from using the native grains, because some of our native grains are up to 28% protein as opposed to 13% protein in your bleached flour. So I always call it a superfood. I make different things like Johnny cakes, which are just little flatbreads cooked on, sometimes I'll cook them on the coals or a pan. I usually cook it dry without the oil. I also use the flour to make pasta. I roll my own pasta sheets out and make a kangaroo lasagna. And I use a lot of ingredients from country. So I'll use the things like Prostanthera rotundifolia, which is a native oregano. I'll use some of the tubers from the garden, Arthropodium milliflorum and Arthropodium strictum. They're both tuberous vegetables, similar to Murnong. Also use Murnong, Kwandong jam, which comes from my country, Davison plum jam, sea parsley. So there's so many different things we've got on country. It's just about knowing what you've got and what flavours work with each other. So all of our grains have a different flavour profile. One of my favourites is the Microlena stopoides, which is the dancing grass. It's got a really nutty, earthy flavour. It's really good in Johnny cakes, and it doesn't need a lot of additional flavours to be delicious. I think the native foods is growing. I know some chefs where I come from that's actually using some of this stuff, and they're really interested because it's a different flavour. Well, it's unique to Australia.